Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide silent notifications in status bar. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and click on notifications. Again scroll down. Here you can see hide silent notifications in status bar. You just have to turn on the button. So this is how to hide silent notifications in status bar. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.